First of all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to monitor our Nginx server using Elastic Agent and and the integration that we have. Okay, so I have already an server for ready Ubuntu server where I have already installed my Elastic Agent that I can check. Okay, so you can see I have the fleet as well as the fleet is connected with my agent and that is healthy and running, and that I can also connect see my from fleet by going to the fleet and go to the fleet, and you can see the first agent that we have previously installed. If you haven't watched that video, please go to that video and watch it and install the agent on your system. Now we will monitor our Nginx server. We have already running the server on this Nginx server on this server here. So what we are going to do, we are going to monitor and collect the logs and matrices from that mesh server. So we are going to do is we are going to add the integration, means other package, component package, or we can say piece of code customized written. We call it as an integration that is specifically designed to collect the logs and metrics from those Nginx servers. So we are going to add that piece of code in our package Elastic Agent that we have, and it will then include that code in itself and then behave to collect the type of system matrices as well as Nginx. Okay, so right now we have only one integration. It's like suppose we have plug in WordPress, we have plugins. Okay, so these are pre-built codes that are used to do the some kind of a specific task. Okay, the same way we have here, and you can call it as a toppings on the pizza. In a simple words, we get the pizza and we add the toppings on that particular things as much as we need. Okay, according to our requirement. So let's go to the integration to install that Nginx monitoring to start the monitoring. So just go to the integration and just on browse, just type ng and you will find these three one. So you are going to use this one because this is used to collect the logs and metrics from Nginx HTTP server with Elastic Agent. Okay, so we are going to add this one. So when you click on it, it will give you the information about this integration and how it will, what data stream it will create, like logs and metrics, what will connect from the logs as well as the metrics, and it will also give you the supported time zone supports as well as the document type that it will uh, one of the event as example in the type of JSON where you find all the fields and their IPs as well as export fields as well as the ECS field references for that fields, and you can see the matrix and the references and that how it will look at like engine subsystem collect data from this status module and describes the status of that. It's all information related to that directly. You can find it, or you can just go to the Elastic documentation. Just type on Google as Nginx server, Nginx integration. It will give you all Elastic. It will get information, and you can see the screenshots as well here, and you can view it if you want to. Okay, so these will be the pre-built dashboards that you will get when you install this one. Okay, and these are the settings that you can find. It is the configuration file configurations of this Nginx package. Like you can see the streams, it will create ID and they from where it will contain it with a multi, as it will also it is also including the multi-line pattern, how it is reading the pattern of it is you can see there as well as. Okay, so we are going to do is we are directly going to click on, you see there are two in API reference, you can see find the inputs API as well as matrix, so you can figure out more about it, and just click on add nginx. Okay, and here you can give the integration your name as you want. I will leave as it is, and I will not change anything for now, and don't see anything to be changed. You can, IP is also default, so I will leave as it is. Okay, and there's nothing. Okay, you can assign your tag as well if you want. Multiple tags can be assigned. But now after this, you will say where to add this integration. Do you want to create a new policy and then install the agent again, or you want to install it in your existing policy or existing server where the Elastic Agent is already installed? Okay, so we want to monitor our existing host that we have previously installed in agent policy. Okay, so now it, once you select that, for that you have to click on existing host and select the policy. For selecting policy, click on here, you will select this one. As I have already selected, I can remove this again and show you again. So here, and just select this one. Okay, it's selected, and just click on save and continue. It will give you this option, and click on save and deploy. Okay, so it will start deploying. It start add that integration to our policy. Now you see the Nginx has been added to this policy, and you can see this integration policy. If you can see this asset is visible now, and if you click on it, it will give you the logs and metrics as well. So I will first go to the fleet, and I will click on our agent as well. So we will see sometimes it will say outdated policy, but once it's done, you can see the input is running and logs and metrics will be visible here. They are starting now. So once it's started, you will see uh, the assets of it as well. So I will go is to integrations. I will click on here. I will go to the integration. I will click on install integration. You can see there are multiple installed already. So I will click on this one. Now if I go to the assets, you will find the dashboards as well as you can go from here. But I just wanted to show which one are directly. You can go to the dashboard and just type Nginx. It will give all the dashboards related to that. But I will click on here logs overview. Okay, and let's see. These are all type of logs that it will be collecting. You can see the logs are coming from our server. If you go to the back to the dashboards and just click on overview that we already checked. Let me go to the one. If I go to the Nginx matrix, where it is, yeah, here it is. So it will give you the matrices in last 15 minutes. You cannot edit it directly. You have to duplicate it and then you can edit it. Okay, and whatever you want to customize, you can. It will take some time, but the data will be there after some time. Maybe last 90 days. Okay, no data. Last 15 minutes. Okay, so it will give the data once it's available completely. So now another thing that I want to show you, how you can, like, if I have a task to give you that I want to find which user has logged into our server, and what is the status of it? Is it successfully logged? No, not. That's the admin root or anyone like my user or your root user or anyone. So how do you identify that in your system? This is your task, and like give me the direction if you want to find it. There are multiple dashboard for that. We have did that we did the integration last time for. So let me tell you after this Urdu version, okay, or Hindi version. That's very simple. Just go to the dashboard. I will tell you right now, and you will find the SSH log system logins, and then you have to find like in last 90 days or something. Let me grab that for you if I am able to. Hopefully, yeah. So you can see there are multiple users, and if we want to find it support user that was successful or not, then you can see the tables and you can go to the code of that one, see and valid, as well as this filter has been generated here. You can also select it from here as well. Okay, just type user.name and it will give you the information about this one as well. If I go to the user, you see the name is being generated. Now if I select admin and if I update it, you can see it will give me the admin, and the admin was not successfully logged in because the credentials were invalid. Okay, so that was it for today, and thank you for watching my videos. Please share, subscribe, and log and comment. If you want to see videos like this, then or want to learn more about it, please let me know by commenting it. Okay, thank you so much for your time, and thank you.